Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. Once again, back with the bangers. I don't know if y'all saw my last video, but the ones who did knows that I destroyed my front bumper really bad. So you know, I threw in a little sneak peek at the end of that video. I don't think a lot of people seen it, only a few people have seen it, so shout out to y'all know who's the ones. But yeah, y'all seen that I actually went now with an Intech 2 bumper, which is pretty nice. I mean, I didn't unbox it in this video because I already unboxed it to show a little sneak peek. But yeah, I actually haven't unboxed the little trimming pieces, the fog light covers, this Euro tag thingy. I'm actually gonna be painting the bumper myself with Perfect Match. It's gonna do for right now until I save up some money to get it painted like professional. But I got one more update too for my car. Alright guys, I got pulled over once again, got huge tickets for having camber stretch tires. So I might have to change up the setup because I'm not trying to get pulled over all the time. So let me know what y'all want down below. Should I like do a meaty setup with these wheels? Well, what my wheels I have, I don't know guys, I'm not trying to get too much tickets. So yeah, that's why I got the stock wheels. They made me put the stock wheels back on. So yeah, I just want to let y'all know. Okay, I'm about to give my bumper a little wipe down because I had it outside and it was raining. But the reason I went Intech 2 this time is because I already had the M3. Plus, I don't know, something about the Intech 2 grew on me. I don't know how it looked like because I have a pre-facelift, but you know, gotta give it a try. And I didn't want to buy another M3 bumper if I already had it. So this is why I went with the Intech 2. Okay guys, and also if y'all want to know where I bought this, I'm gonna have all the links down below where you can go buy the BMW parts or the bumper. So yeah, I think it was like $200 or something, 200 and something. I don't know. I bought this like a week ago, and I haven't had the chance to record this video, but you know, we're doing it now for you guys. So this reminds you of the Intech 2 bumper you had, right? Yeah. I think it's the same one.
Guys, let me know you want me to get CSL bumper.
Yeah, the M3 CSL. I don't know. I haven't seen that on a sedan yet. But it looks pretty tough. Your BMW looks really tough. He's rocking my bumper right now, but you know, just for the hell of it, because he don't got a bumper right now. We both messed up our bumpers in like less than 2 months. So let's see how well I do with this spray can. I bought 2 and a clear coat. I don't know if I should have primed this first, but I think it comes already primed. So I don't know, so don't hose me down in the comments. Let's get right to this. Sorry if the lighting is bad. I'm inside like a little garage thingy and there's not enough light here. So yeah, I'm gonna paint it here because the wind is not hitting. I'm gonna do a little light coat for the first coat, let it rest, and do it again. Shout out to Rogelio. I don't know if he still watch my videos, but if you go through my old videos, he painted Thomas' bumper. But yeah, since he's not here now, we're painting our own bumper. I'm not a good painter, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do when you broke. I don't got money right now to paint it legitly, but I will get it done, but not right now. Look how beautiful Thomas' car look, except the bumper, but he's gonna get a new one. But yeah, while we let that first coat dry, I wanted to show y'all Thomas' car. Let me know down in the comments below if you want us to finish his interior and paint the door panels and dashboard. So let me know down in the comments. I used to say I was sincere. I used to say I was sincere. After like a year and a half, these angel eyes are still bright and still like perfect. So I'll leave the link down below where I got them from if y'all guys want to buy it. But while I wait on the second coat to dry, I'm gonna take this bar out because I'm gonna have to reuse it. Y'all can see where I used foam glue or whatever when I used the M3 bumper, but that came off. So I'm gonna see what I can do. I don't want to use this glue no more. I like how this came out. This is without clear coat. I think I'm doing a pretty good job for a non-professional. Yeah, I still got a couple more coats and it's done. Then I'll spray the clear coat and hopefully install it. I actually took out the bar already. I'm trying to take out this blue, but it's kind of hard. Alright guys, I just put the bumper on just to see how it'll look. I think the paint matches really well with the regular paint. I think I did a real good job. I did a couple of coats of clear coat. But I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this video tomorrow because it's getting dark and it's Friday and I gotta go eat. You know, it's payday, so I'll pick up this video tomorrow. Alright guys, I don't know how long it's been since the last clip. It could have been like 2-3 weeks, but I haven't had a chance to work on my car yet. But today I ended up taking the front camber and the back camber. I'm not gonna be with all that camber. I'm gonna go for a new setup. Y'all see, maybe new wheels, but I let this bumper drive over like weeks with clear coat and I think it looks pretty good for a bottle can. But today, hopefully we're gonna be able to put this bumper on and have everything looking good again. Alright guys, I lost all the clips for the metal bar to connect with the bumper, but I'm gonna go ahead and hack it a little bit. I'm gonna go look for some bolts and I'm gonna try to connect the bolt from right here and tie a little nut. So hopefully we'll be good. I'm gonna go check if we got some. Alright guys, I just got the bumper connected to the bar now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show y'all this little hack. A lot of y'all been asking me. It's not really too big. All you really gotta do is just get a little screw and connect it to your fender. I'm pretty sure everybody could do that, but a lot of y'all people have been asking me how to do it, and I've been telling y'all, but y'all still don't know how. So that's why I'm throwing this clip in the video. Alright guys, this is what I'm talking about, the little hole. It's not really focusing because I'm too in, but I got a little screw hole right there since the bumper new. I don't have one right here. But you know, since the bar is connected all good, all you gotta do is just try to push it to get the close fitment, and that way it should screw up and that should be good. And it don't have to be a lot of screws, it could just be one just to hold it on this side since the metal bar is already holding all the bumper. So that's what I'm about to do. As you can tell, I got the bumper lining up with the fender very perfect. Now I'm about to go ahead and work on the other side and we should be good, and then we can put all the trimmings and maybe the little corner lights. I still got all these little pieces in the package, just to feed the little things out. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this little trimmings on and hopefully call it a video. Maybe take my car to the car wash because look at this. It's very dirty. Let me know what you think on the spray painted bumper. I'm still gotta get these corner lights. I know a lot of y'all guys want me to get these corner lights, but it's actually the next day. I was trying to get my car inspected, but it failed because I gotta replace the Cadillac converter. So a video on that might be up soon. But let me know what you want to see me do to the car. I want to do a V3 version now. I'm tired with all that stunt stuff. I want to get like a meaty setup or wide body my car. I don't know. I want to get some motivation on my car more. But let me know, drop down comments what you want me to do with the car before I sell it, because I don't want to sell it. But that's pretty much it. If y'all enjoyed this M-Tech 2 bumper better than the M3, let me know in the comments. If y'all don't, I can always sell it to Thomas and get a new bumper. But that's it. Subscribe if you're new, like this video. If you want to know where I got any part from my BMW, the links will be down below. As always, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done.